Welcome back to this video. If you have WeChat account and you are using WeChat Pay and you want to increase your WeChat Pay limit, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to increase your limit transaction on your WeChat account. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Pay and Services. Next thing you need to do is to click on your wallet. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on ID info. Then it's going to take you right here. According to Chinese laws and regulation, after verifying your identity information, you will be able to enjoy more WeChat Pay features such as balance, red packets, transfers, receiving money, and access other WeChat Pay services and higher payment limit. It's that simple. Next thing you need to do is to click on verify now. Then enter your payment password. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on ID type. Then right here, by default, the first ID type right here is mainland China ID. So if you don't have that, switch to passport right here. Just swipe this way, switch to passport. If you do not have passport, swipe this way and switch to mainland travel permit for Hong Kong and Macau residents. Next, mainland travel permit for Taiwan residents. PRC foreign permit resident ID. Another one here, mainland resident permit for Hong Kong and Macau residents. Mainland resident permit for Taiwan residents. So these are means of ID that you can use to verify and increase the limit of your WeChat Pay. Now you must have any of these options right here. So if you are using international passport, switch to passport. Once you switch to passport, hit on OK. Then you'll be taken right here. Here, you will need to fill up this form. So once you fill up everything right here, scroll down right here and make sure you click on next. And it's that simple. Your document is going to be submitted to WeChat team. Within 24 hours, they will get back to you about your WeChat verification and likewise increasing the limit of your WeChat transfer or WeChat Pay on a daily basis. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat Pay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.